All right, welcome back. We have question 8 from section 3.1. And this question, it has one goal in mind. Its question is to teach you the difference between the exponential function raised to a power versus that involves the variable that you're differentiating with respect to, and the exp function just raised to any random number. So basically, remember the derivative of a constant is 0, and the derivative of a higher polynomial, you just move the power in front and subtract 1 from it. So let's identify what we have. First of all, we have a higher order polynomial, so we put the 3 in front and we get 3t, and then now we're just subtracting 1 from the power, and you get 3t squared, because 3 minus 1 is 2. Then the second part is, this isn't e to the t, it's e to the 3. Because it's e to the 3, this is technically a constant, and the derivative of a constant is 0. So you just end up with 3t squared. So what they're trying to teach you is that, remember, the derivative of e to the t is just e to the t back again, but the derivative of e to some number is 0. All right, thanks for watching. If you need any more help, feel free to just leave a comment below. If you have a particular problem you want solved, feel free to take a screenshot, upload it to an image sharing website, and just link in a comment, and I'll try to solve it when I have time. If this video was useful, consider liking it, because I will be uploading more videos from this section in the future. Thank you, and goodbye.